Hi Eric, this is Bobby with Herrera SEO and Marketing. It was good talking to you yesterday and thank you for the referral. This is the video that I promised you. I'm going to give you three tips on what you can do to grow your online presence. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what happens whenever somebody does a Google search. Okay. So I typed in Roofers Dallas. The first section right here is the ad section. Google has pay-per-click sections, and each time somebody clicks on one of these ads, they're paying a certain price for that. The next section under there is the Google My Business page section. Your GMB gets listed on here first based on the amount of citations you have. Your citation is your name, address, and phone number, exactly the way you have it listed in Google. And you have to put your citation in as many directories throughout the internet. Whenever I click on your top competitor, Lon Smith Roofing in Dallas, his GMB populates. And another factor that's bringing him up top is that he has 82 Google reviews. So if we look down here, we see, well, this one, new view, it has 474. But for this word right here, he's ranking number one for different reasons. Another reason is based on the amount of keyword saved pictures that you have. Make sure that you have at least 2 or 3 times the amount of keyword saved pictures as your competitor. So I click over and I found yours. You have 64 Google reviews, which is not very far behind his. What you have to do is make sure that you get more pictures on here and make sure that you have them saved properly as keywords so that Google can find those keywords as well. Whenever I use this citation finder tool that I use, I see that Lon Smith, he has 45 citations. So what I need you to do in order to beat him is get your citation in about maybe 100 to 150 directories throughout the internet. So the next section under the GMB page is the organic section, and you get your website on the organic section based first on the amount of content that you have on your first page. So the first, these two right here, well, this Home Advisor, that's a directory, so you can list there. D Magazine, and then we have Lon Smith. He's also number one on the organic. So whenever I click on here, it populates his website. You see he does have quite a bit of content. So I use a word counter tool, and it's telling me that he has 1,200 keywords or 1,200 words. So in order for you to beat him at that part, you need to have maybe about 2,500 words. And so whenever I click on your page and use the word counter, I see that you have 898 words. So it's not words alone that's going to bring you on here. Just like your pictures, you have to have keyword rich content. So I use this other paid tool. It's called Ahrefs. I'm going to explain to you how you rank a keyword. So I typed in keyword roof repair Dallas, and this tool is telling me that it's searched approximately 250 times every month. So that's a lot of clients you're missing out on by not being number one or not being on the first page with this word. We see right here that its keyword difficulty is medium, which is it's medium difficulty to rank, and it has a cost per click of $25. So if you do run a keyword ad for this word right here, Google's gonna charge you $25 each time somebody clicks on your ad. So with Ahrefs, I actually typed in Lon Smith's website right here so I can see what all is bringing him to the top. So you see first right here, you see that he has 437 organic keywords on his website that Google is finding for him. So in order for you to beat him, you have to have more organic keywords that Google find, and they have to be higher search volume. So you also see right here that he has over 3,000 backlinks, and that the score of his backlinks, it's decent. It's not super high and it's not super low. So what a backlink is, it's whenever your website, your URL is on another relevant company's website. So the more backlinks you have pointing back to you, that gives you more popularity in Google's eyes, and they'll bring you up higher in the Google search. But you can't just use any backlink. They have to be relevant to your company, and they also have to be high rank in DR. So those are some things that I can help you with as well. So with their backlinks and their organic keywords working together, Lawnsmith has an organic traffic of about 2,000 visits every month. So let's go and let me show you this before we move on. You see right here it says pay-per-click. So he spends about $35 a month in Google ads for them. So now we're gonna look at your website. So as I click right here, I see you have 14 organic keywords that Google is finding for you, and you have 156 backlinks. The backlinks aren't very strong. You don't have to have 4,000 backlinks like your competitor to beat him, as long as you have strong backlinks and strong keywords. We see right here that you have about one visit, organic visit on your website every month. So with all of these things in place, then we can definitely bump that up. So Eric, basically those are the 3 things that I wanted to talk to you about. I hope you can use them. Remember, the first thing is citations. Put your citation in as many directories throughout the internet. 2 is content. Make sure you get at least 2,000, 2,500 content-rich, keyword-rich content on your website. And 3 is backlinks. Put some strong backlinks pointing back to your website. And with all of those things together, you can jump up to the top page, to the front page of Google with no time. Thank you for listening to this video, and I hope that it's taught you a lot. Give me a call and we can talk about things. I'd love to hear what you think. Take care.